Chapter 15. Water, its sources and uses. Let us begin. Water is essential for our life. It is one of the basic constituents of all living things. Around 70% of our body is made of water. Water is found in ponds, lakes, rivers, seas, and oceans. We can also find water under the ground. Sources of water: seas, oceans, rain, rivers, streams, lakes, and ponds are the natural sources of water. More than 2/3 part of the Earth's surface is covered with ocean. So, oceans are the largest source of water on the Earth. But because of its salty nature, this water is not fit for drinking. Rain is the main source of water on the Earth. It is the purest form of water. When it rains, some amount of water goes underground. This is known as underground water. With the help of tube wells, hand pumps, and wells, this underground water can be brought to the surface of the Earth. People living in villages dig wells to bring underground water to the surface. As you know, the higher parts of the mountain are covered with snow. During summer season, the snow on mountains melts and changes into water. This water comes down in the form of streams and rivers. Note to the teacher: ask the students if they choose to get water by collecting and carrying it from the river. How much water do you think their family would be able to fetch in one trip? At some places, the underground water is found deep inside the earth. Water at these places is brought to the surface with the help of pumps. Holes are dug into the ground, and tubes and pipes are sunk in them. Pumps used in this operation run either on electricity or on fuel. Water obtained through tube well is mainly used for drinking and irrigation. Hand pumps are used in the area where electricity is not available or people cannot afford electricity. We also get water from ponds, lakes, rivers, seas, and streams. However, this water is not safe for drinking. It is full of germs and impurities. This water is purified and filtered before drinking. Uses of water. We use water in our daily life for many purposes. We use it for drinking, cooking, washing, cleaning, and watering our plants. Note to the teacher: encourage students to think about how people use water individually, how they use it around the home, how people use water for recreation. Water for the family. In towns and cities, water supply is organized. But in villages, water supply is not organized. People do not have piped water in their homes. They get water from hand pumps, wells, tube wells, or rivers. Many village women have to travel long distances to fetch water in earthen pots. Many children also go with pots in their hand to fetch water. In crowded and poor areas of cities and towns, people sometimes have to wait in long lines at the community water point. They wait for long for their turn to come. Many a time, this water brought may not clean. It is not safe for drinking because it is polluted. It is full with mud and germs. In our home, we make water fit for drinking by removing impurities from it. Dust particles, mud, bits and pieces of leaves, germs, and all such material that make water unfit for drinking are called impurities. There are many other things in the water which are not visible to the naked eyes. These are called germs. These germs are harmful to us. They cause illness. Do you know, we cannot see tiny germs with naked eyes. We need an instrument to see these germs. This instrument is called microscope. Sometimes activities of men are responsible for water pollution. Farmers spray chemicals to kill germs that damage crops. This chemical mixes in the soil and reaches water sources below the ground. When we draw water from underground, we get polluted water. Many factories dump chemical wastes into river. These chemical wastes pollute the water. We cannot use this water without purifying it. But it is not possible to make such water completely safe for drinking. Harmful chemicals reach our water supply, contaminating all our water. Water can be made potable, fit for drinking, by using chlorine to kill germs as well as by boiling and filtering it in clean vessels. Water for everyone. We all need water for our life. All living things need water to live. All animals and birds need water for their life. Plants also need water. They are also living things. They need water to prepare their food. Many plants grow in water. Lotus and water lilies grow in water. These are found in lakes, rivers, ponds, and streams. Seaweeds grow in oceans. Plants which live in water are called aquatic plants. There are some animals which like water very much. Elephant, buffalo, and hippopotamus like to wallow in water to keep them cool. Turtle, crocodile, duck, frog, and fish live in water. All these animals live in freshwater bodies. Rivers and streams are examples of freshwater bodies. Many animals live in oceans also. Ocean water is salty. Starfish, shark, and whale are found in oceans. Feeling thirsty. We all feel thirsty and drink water to quench our thirst. Have you ever observed a plant without water? You will notice that leaves and flowers of such plants droop when they do not get water. Slowly, the leaves start to look wilted, shriveled, wrinkled, and dry. They begin to grow yellow. If water is not given, such plants, they will die soon. Have you ever seen your pet or any other animal panting in summer? These animals feel hot and uncomfortable in summer. Dogs pant in order to cool down their bodies. They do not sweat. Our body cools down when we sweat. This is why we sweat in summer. Animals lose lot of water while panting or sweating. This loss of water makes them thirsty. Special plants and animals. There are some plants and animals which require less amount of water to survive. They are able to go without water for a long time. They have special features to do so. Cactus is a plant that can grow in deserts. It requires very little water to survive. Stems of cactus are green, thick, and juicy. The stems store water for the plant. The leaves of the cactus plant are changed into thorns. Deep roots of the cactus can draw water from deep inside the earth. Camels are also special animals. They are the animals of deserts. Camels require less amount of water to survive. They can live without water for many days. Their hump stores food in the form of fat. This is the reason why camels are called sheep of the desert. Do you know? A camel can drink nearly 100 liters of water at a time. Summary. Everyone needs water to survive. We use water in our daily activities. There are different sources of water. Many reasons are there for impurities of water. Impure water is not fit for drinking. We can purify water in many ways. Animals and plants also need water. There are special plants and animals which require less amount of water to survive.